Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to connect your iPhone to a Wi-Fi network. Whether you're at home or in the office, this will help you connect to the Wi-Fi to access the internet. So let's open up your settings app on your iPhone. Now tap on Wi-Fi. Once the page loads up, the iPhone will populate all the available networks that the iPhone can detect. Select the Wi-Fi you want to connect to, enter your Wi-Fi password, then tap on Join at the top right. Once the connection is successful, it will return back to the Wi-Fi page and a tick will show up next to the Wi-Fi network you have connected to. And there you go, that is how to connect to a Wi-Fi network using your iPhone. If you found this useful, then please subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.